Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Mushraf Ali Ahmad, MC, 7th semester from ECE department from Rao Bahadur Y. Mahabaleshwara Engineering College, Ballari. Uh, we have selected for the Emertex online embedded internship free course. In that, they have provided as a main project as a micro oven. In that, we need to learn how the micro oven actually works and what the code we need to write to run the micro oven. We can see it helps very good to us because it is provided free and it is online courses. It is very helpful towards the from for the EC students and also electrical students. Thanks for Emertex group members and teachers, staffs, mentors. What they have given us a knowledge, it is good, and they are given very good basis knowledge for the micro and how to do the project and how to run it. And we can change the PPT slides contents such as introductions, block diagrams, working software tools used, applications, advantages and disadvantages, conclusions and reference. The reference is nothing but we have taken from Ematex only, and LMS portal what the recording sections there we have taken from that, and some the previous YouTubers links what they have, how they had done and how they presented the PPT. We have taken something from that. We learn something from this, and we can go to the introduction is nothing but what they have given to us to learn in the embedded system. First basis is nothing but how they to run the embedded system, to run the micro oven project. We have used embedded c embedded c uh, embedded c programming language. In that, how it is used and how it is sufficient and how it can be better for the students, and what are the necessary it is, and how it can be used flexible, and powerful, efficient. It is deep. You can explore your system by using the embedded.c. Mm, from that, they have given brief introduction. Starting two periods, they have given introduction about the Emertex and the different programming sections are there and different courses are there for explore this. They are given introduction and what how it will be done and how it will be evaluated after the last completion of the. After that, they have given introduction about the embedded.c. In that, they have given importance about the keywords and categories, data types, modifiers, qualifiers, loops, and jump. And that code contains document processor, preprocessor systems, global declaration, main code, local declaration, program statements, function calls, and how this autonomy of a simple C codes and number systems, decimal, octal, hexadecimals, binary, and that data representation in bit format. They have given brief introduction about these and with the examples also. This is very basis required for to do the micro oven project. And also integer numbers positive and negative, how it is an example of 13 is to 10 in 32-bit system would be. These different examples they have given and they have provided good efficient. This is very basis required to do the embedded system, embedded program, embedded projects. If we do any projects, we require these basis. By seeing this, what they have given data types, basis data types, internal, floating, char, int, float, double, and modifiers and qualifiers, and conditional constants in that switch case, for, while, do, while, if else if, switch and break, while, do, while, for, continue, break, and also operation of arithmetic operations and logical operators, relational operators and assignments and bitwise operators. These are very basis. We have now we are in 7th semester. In 6th semester we have learned these basis in Verilog and also in embedded system. This is very basis required for the students to do the um embedded any project by using embedded system. This is introduction about it. About it is brief introduction about the embedded system and how it is started from the beginning. The my Ematex online internship program. In that we can see embedded system. Embedded system, it is known as combination of hardware and software. Is nothing but a embedded system. Any system, any specific function which are doing, which it contains a computer hardware and a software design, then it is nothing but a embedded system. For example, what is microwave we are seeing now. It is also a good example for the embedded system. Good example for the embedded system. Not only this, we have different the sir teached in online session for whole 2 to 3 classes, whole one class completely 2 hours. They have teached about the embedded system applications, characteristics, and different types of embedded system, how it will be used, and real time, what how it will be worked, and how the hardware will be work, and how the software will be specified in that embedded system. This different given with the brief introduction by the sir in that section. And now we can come to the block diagram of micro oven. In that we can see mode, striker, waveguide, magneton tube, source of radiation, oven, cavity, filter, step up transformer, power plug. This is the after completion of physical body. What we are seeing the block diagram, it is a physical body. Rather than there is a many ports like start, how to start that, resume, restart, and star hash, how to we can how to increase the seconds, how to increase the numbers, how to resume, how to restart, how to pass, how to stop, then also the how to start the fan, buzzer, lights, 16 into 2, 16 into 4 LED lights, and also a restart button, and Pixim Lab. That is a die what we are saying that Pixim in future we are saying that what is not even this is PIC 16F8774. What is the IC what we are used in the Pixim Lab for to do the project. In that they are used that one. It is a physical body, but actually how that Pixim Lab, it is a it shows how it actually looks like a micro one after completion of the in that it is a physical body. Now in that inside how it will be looked and how it will be shown in that it has been shown like this, how it will be. LEDs, buzzers, digital keypad, SSDs, matrix keypad, LM35 temperature sensors, 12C, RTC, MPROM, GPIO. This is the different how Pixim Labs. We can see the working now. A device called a magneton inside the oven produces microwaves. The microwaves reflect half of the metal interior of the oven and causes the water molecules in food to vibrate, and this vibration results in friction between the molecules which produces heat that cooks the food. This is not even how the heating process has happened inside the microwave, how the food will be heated. This is the working process of that. We can go to next slide. Software tools what we are used to do the project. nothing but MPLab X IDE dot sixth version, fifth version, and MPLab XC compiler also we have used, and PiximLab PIC Genus PIC 16F877A. This is the IC pin number. Architecture of the PiximLab. We can see, we told now only how the PiximLab will actually looks, and physical body is nothing but for this only physical body is nothing but only a micro one. Actually we need to run this code, to run this what we are seeing the PiximLab. We need to write the code. After writing completion of that is nothing but a micro one. We can see applications. A micro oven is a very versatile kitchen applications that offers a whole range of uses. Micro oven can be used to rear and cook food, reheat and cook food, then inspection kitchen items and make circuits, fruits, juices, heat beauty products, and roasters, garlics, and decrystallized honey. This is what are the applications. Why we need to use the applications in bakery? We can usually we can see in bakeries and hotels, they have readied the product, any product they have readied, they have cooked the product, any biscuits and any more we can frequently we can see in egg puffs what frequently most of us we can see in egg puffs. To reheat that, we are using the main thing is a micro oven. For the customer we need to reheat for a few 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or in that range, or what they needed they can. In kitchens we can use for others purpose also, but it should be in ranges from minutes. But for fast purpose it is enough for 15, 30, 60 seconds is more than enough. For big sizes, for to bake anything from starting point it should be baked, then we required a maximum hours, minutes we require that. These are the applications of the micro oven where we can use. And we can go now advantages and disadvantages. Advantages and disadvantages. Volumetric heating process. Advantage: quick and convenient method of heating food. Use interfaces and precise control over the cooking temperature. Disadvantages: cost of equipment in high. Micro oven dish will set off a chemical reaction. Micro oven can cause us a painful burn by heating a body tissue. What are the advantages? If we are producing any a product, then there should be a advantage should be more and disadvantage should be less. We can see the disadvantage is in micro oven a little bit. The people will say we should not eat in the baked food from the electrical appliance. It should not good. It is not good for the health, and it will be destroying the body tissues. It is very painful, and sometimes the food will be caused through a chemical reactions. It causes death. It is very harmful, and it is cost also very much, and power supply is more for this, and it required power supplies also. For we can see the disadvantage also more in this advantage is also very good. By we can see here how the advantages and disadvantages are there, and we seen how the disadvantage will cause us for the moment, and there is also advantages in that, how it will be help and how it will be used for the very quick process for a large purpose area, for a large peoples, like in malls and like in cinema theaters they require a fast process. So we are using a micro oven system to heat the product very efficiently and very fast, and we can supply it to the consumers. Next, these are the advantages and disadvantages of the micro oven systems, and we can go to conclusion. micro and process technology requires to learn and understand. Yeah, in that in 1 month we have understand how to how to processing the microwave technology required to learn and understand. We are using the embedded.c and to to turn on the uh, to turn on the oven. What are the methods we needed? First we needed check the minutes, and we need to set the timing now. We need to set the time, and then we need to pause and we need to stop if we see already it has been baked, and then we can stop it. If we resume, and then also we can resume that. And this process, it is inbuilt, and that those will be inbuilt from us only now. We need to require how the product, how the consumer wants to do. It is very, if consumer was using that, he needs to easily handle it. He should not trouble in that. If he resume that, if he restart, if he want to restart the micro oven, if the timing should not, if the timing was not continuing from where he has been stopped, then it is will be waste of that. Why? If the consumer stopping in middle of that, the timing should resume, and the timing should start again from that number itself. If the number is starting from again different number, then it is completely not use of it. Okay. uh, Reference we have seen in block diagram of microwave oven. It is the application microcontroller micro oven. It is the link where we have block diagram we have taken, and Ematex information technology. This is the main. We need to put one more in that is lms.com. In there we can see different videos, complete sections of the micro oven, how to do it and how to come through it to do a project about micro oven. We can go to the LMS, or we can go to the recorded sections of your YouTube sections. In that we can collect the reference. These are the main introduction about the mm, micro oven process. And then we can, now we need to go to the output of the project, our project, how we have taken the project. In that we need to go for that, and we can go now. In that we can see where this is nothing but we have covered that micro one and contents, introduction, block diagram, working, software tools, used applications, advantage and disadvantages, conclusions and reference. Conclusion is nothing but after completing all, nothing but after using the embedded.c, where after writing the codes and after running each different, and after whole complete, if after completing all the such like to turn on the lights, to turn on the buzzer, to turn on the fan, to turn resume, start, restart, heat, reset. After doing all these applications, then we can come to a conclusion. We completed a section of a we completed the project about of micro oven. This is nothing but a conclusion. After using of software tools, working process, block diagrams, we need to understand. This is nothing but the conclusion. We can see the output in that. From now we can see here how we have uh, downloaded the Pixim Labs and all in the our laptop. And after downloading this all the softwares, Pixim Labs and MP Lab, those all, and we need to create a header files in this. What we are seeing, header files and ISR DCDC dot files and main dot file and DCD dot h main 1.h files and matrix keypads and timers, all the header files we need to create in that. This is the basics. This is the basics we need to write the code, and also we need to uh, we need to build that. We need to check the any errors in that we are finding, then we need to overcome through it. Any technical build successful, it should be shown, then only we can go further of that. Otherwise we can't able to go by seeing these things. uh, See, we can going to next we can go to the Pixim lab now. In that Pixim lab we can see this is the main power on, micro on, how it will be start and how it will be done. This is the main open, how we are going to open, how we have written the codes for heating, buzzers, coolers, Pixim labs, for LED 1 ported, LED 2 ported, for resets, micro grill conversion start. We need to power on equals to 900 watts. Set the time. We need to set the time as a minutes and seconds times clear. I told the hash and star and hash, it will be for clearing and entering the values what we are going to in it, it should be in a minutes and seconds, and it is more than we can give to as a uh, we can give more than like hours together, half an hours together, more minutes, 30, 40. See how we are going, we are given a time now. Now we are going to run that, we are going running that now already. See the window has been started. See, we can see now here, we have stopped that, we have stopped, and again we are going to give the seconds and minutes, again timer we are going to give. If we it is seconds, minutes, that is done. Resume and start, a fourth option, it will give the resume and start option. In that, see the window has been started. See, the fan was rotating in that manner. It should be rotated in a clockwise only now. This should be a main in that. This is the Pixim lab, how actually it will work. This is the main working procedure of it. This is the main Pixim lab. Time up, then it will complete the process all. How these codes we have written, conventions, grill, start, and microns. This we are going to set up the time in microns and temperatures, clears. This the in always in all the steps. How the micron we needed. This the we are going to take it in the Pixim lab. This is a Pixim lab. You can see the IC pin what I have told in that Pixim lab 167877A6. Time of preheating time of resume equals to 16. It should be giving the preheating time. Okay now, this is the working of a micro oven, how it will be actually work in all the times. Okay, how it will be work, and how the LEDs are there, how it will be done, how the buzzer will be given, and we can reset. And now we can see how to reset that. Okay, how to reset. See, you can see here. You can see now, it is very easy to know that. Microcontroller, we need to give the Pixim value here, then then only it will be open in that, otherwise it will be not. Okay, fourth option we are going to select. It will be resuming, it will starting up to 30 seconds. Okay, buzzer will be given after the completion of it, little bit tint like that. Okay, you can see in the resume option, we can resume it. Okay, start and resume and buzzers, and these are very useful things in micro one. Okay, after that the buzzer will be on in the LED lights. Say time up. Okay now. this is the what we are showing. This is the IC pin IC. Okay, serial pins reset. These are we are going to give here. Okay, in this is the working principle, and this is the demo what we have written the code, and we are getting the output for it after completing the whole MATLAB code. Then only we are going to get this one.